Okay, keep. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, sister? I hope you are good. Now, today your lesson is Surah Al-Nasr. Sorry, not Nasr, is the Asr. Surah Al-Asr Makkiyah. So first of all, we say A'udhu Billah and Bismillah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم سورة العصر مكية بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. That one is your lesson. And now we discuss about Tajweed rules. So first one is wow. We read wow. When we read wow, your lips should be round. And then I tell you about types of letters. Those are Hamza and Ain sound is same. We make a difference between Ain and Hamza sound. We don't read that is okay? Some people read wal asr. Some people read making a sound Hamza sound. That's wrong. Okay, according to Tajweed, we make a Ain sound properly. And then is Sod. You know, Sod is a fi'l letter as well as mustali letter. So we read Wal Asr. And then there is Gunna. Innal in again Gunna. Because they are ikhfa letters after Nun Sakina. Sin is ikhfa after Nun Sakina. So we read again Gunna. Innal in and now look at that. Fatah comes before Alif. It means Alif Madda is done. Alif Madda will be done. Then Fa Ya Kasra Fi. There's Ya Madda. Okay. Then that is a Mustari letter and this one is Safiri letter. So we make a difference between them. Their sound should be properly. Innal insana lafi khusr. When mother letter will comes, we attach them. There is mother letter and there is mother letter. And next one, look at that. That is Zal. I tell you about Zal, Za, and Law. These three letters is having a same sound, but we make a difference between them. Okay, and there is a Ya Madda. There is Ya Madda, and there is Waw Madda. Okay, and this one is a Hamza vertical fatha we stretch it for 1 second, means like a mother letters also. We stretch it. And there is wow again, and again ain, not Hamza. Sound we properly share ain. We properly pronounce ain sound. Okay. Sod is connected with lam. Loose, like that. Loose, saw, we stretch it because there is a fatha, vertical fatha. And vertical fatha comes again at ha. So we again stretch this one. Look at that. Wata, wa. Look at that. So we read wow as a rounded lips, with the rounded lips. Sod, wow, fatha, saw. There's wow lean. So we read as a softly, okay? Don't stretch them. Okay. Watawasaw, like that. Okay. Next. Watawasaw. There's wow lean and we read as a softly. Okay. And make a difference. Seen and sawed. Make a difference between seen and sawed. So you must pronounce as a sawed. Okay. Bil haqqi. Mustaliya letter will comes. When Mustaliya letter will come, we read Mustaliya letter as a bold voice. Okay. We read Mustaliya letter as a bold voice. بالحق وتوا again wa watawa. There is alif madda. There is alif madda. Watawa. So there it is again. Wawli. And this one. Bisab. Sabri. Sadi mustali letter. And ba has a qalqalah. So we read it like that. إن إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر صدق الله العظيم. That is your lesson. Okay, sister. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.